Hello students, welcome to the Trigonometrical Ratio Part 5. Here we'll discuss about the exercise 2.2 Part 1, of course from the Maharashtra textbook class 11, and 2.2 Part 2 will be discussed in subsequent video. So here comes the first question. The 2 sin A is equal to 1. That means sin A is equal to 1 by 2, and cos B is equal to cos B is equal to 1 by root 2. So now it is lying, A is lying in second quadrant and P is lying in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. So we can solve it by both method, that is formula method. So let's come first formula method. Tan A is equal to sin A divided by root over plus minus 1 minus sin square A. Since it is second quadrant, so tan A will be positive, negative. So we'll take only negative value. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So sin A is equal to 1 by 2 divided by root over minus 1 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So you will solve it further. Then it will be 1 by 2 divided by minus root over 1 minus 1 by 4. So equal to minus of half divided by root 3 by 2. 4 square root is 2. So 2 get cancelled. So that will be equal to minus 1 by root 3. Next take cos A. Cos A is equal to plus minus root over 1 minus sin square A, which will take plus or minus is in second quadrant. Second quadrant only cos and sec, sin and cosec is positive, remaining negative. So here we will take negative value. So minus root 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now comes tan B. Tan B cos it is given, so plus minus root over 1 minus sin square 1 minus cos square B divided by cos B. We should take positive or negative. Definitely tan B is in fourth quadrant, so we'll take negative because in fourth quadrant only cos and sec is positive, remaining negative. So here minus root 1 minus 1 by root 2 the whole square. So divided by cos B is 1 by root 2. Then minus root 1 minus 1 by 2, that is half divided by 1 by root 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is equal to minus 1. And what about the cos B? So cos B it is already given, so no need to do anything. Now put the values. Tan A is equal to what we have calculated. Tan A, tan A is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So tan A is equal to minus 1 by root 3 plus tan B. What is tan B? Tan, tan B. Tan B is equal to tan B what we calculated minus 1. So here minus 1 and divided by cos A. What is cos A? Cos A we have calculated minus root 3 by minus root 3 by 2. So uh, minus cos B. Cos B is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Here 1 by calculated 1 by root 3. Correct. So now you solve it. Then you solve it. Then it will be minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 divided by, you take LCM, LCM 2, then it will be minus root 3 and this will be minus root 2. So here minus 1 minus root 3 divided by root 3 divided by minus root 3 minus root 2 divided by 2. So minus minus you get cancel. So 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 2. 2 will be on numerator and root 3 will be on denominator. So this is the answer. Now come to second question. This you can solve by this LBH method also. So what is LBH? Sin is equal to half. So sin either will be this or this. So it is in given, it is in this coordinate. So this coordinate H is positive and B is negative. So this is H, then this is positive, then is a K, and this is L. L is 2K. Then B. B will be negative, then minus B will be root 3. How? 2K square minus K square, that is root 3K. So this is root 3K, of course negative. It will be negative. Now you can find out tan A. Tan A is equal to height. Height is what? Height is K. So K divided by B minus root 3K. So minus 1 by root 3. Same we have got. Similarly, we'll get this one cos A also. And in this, and we can solve by this method also. So now comes to the second question. Second question says, so we have to find the cos A and cos B. So here sin A is equal to, sin A is equal to 3 by 5 and sin B is equal to 4 by 5. Then the angles are in second quadrant. So second quadrant, cos A and cos B, both will be negative. So cos A is equal to minus of root 1 minus sin square A. So 3 by 4, that will be 4 by 5. So it is equal to minus 4 by 5. And similarly, cos B is equal to, cos B is equal to minus root over 1 minus 4 by 5 the whole square, that is equal to minus 3 by 5. So now put here 4 into minus 4 by 5 plus 3 into minus 3 by 5. So that is equal to minus take common 16 plus 9 divided by 5. So minus 25 by 5, that is equal to minus 5 henceforth. Now you LBH method also you can use. So 3 will become 3K. This become 5K. Which one? H. Which one? L. So B will be 4K negative, because in second quadrant how 4K? 5K square minus 3K square. So that is equal to minus 4K. So cos A is B by L, to minus 4 by 5. Same thing we got, no? Same thing we got. Similarly, you get for this one also. And you can calculate. That is not an issue. So now come to the third question. Third question is given, tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. So you have to find sine theta. So how you will find sine theta and cos theta? So how you will find sine theta? So first you find cos theta. So cos theta will be root over 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus cos square theta. So that will be positive or negative. So it's a confusion. So what you do, you first, this is tan theta. So either you can take in positive or case 1, case 2 you can do. So that is not an issue. Case 1 or case 2 can be done. So better, why not you convert this into ton? Because here confusion is there. You will have to take case 1 when it's in third quadrant, case 2 is in first quadrant, and both we have to calculate. So what you do, you convert this into ton. So how you will convert 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta divided by cos theta, and 4 cos theta plus 3 sine theta divided by cos theta. So that is equal to, split it, 2 sine theta by cos theta plus 3 and 2 4 plus 3 sine theta by cos theta. That means 2 tan theta plus 3 divided by 4 plus 3 tan theta, and tan theta is half. So 2 into half plus 3, 4 into 3 into half. So 2 get cancelled, then it will be 4. And here 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 2. That means 8 by 11 is the answer. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth question, you have to eliminate. So elimination very easy. Sec theta is equal to x by 3. Tan theta is equal to y by 3. Then do sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then x by 3 plus y square minus y by 3 square is equal to 1. Got eliminated. Here also you do the same thing. X by 6 is equal to cosec theta and y by 8 is equal to cot theta. We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So x by 6 the whole square minus y by 8 the whole square is equal to 1. Got eliminate. Here, here what you will do. So what to do? So a square, I have to add, I think that will be sufficient. So x square is equal to 4 my cos theta minus 5 sin theta the whole square. So that is 16 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta minus 40 cos theta into sin theta, and similarly y square is equal to 16 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta plus 40 cos theta into sin theta. Now add both the, so x square plus y square will be, add this got cancelled, and this will be 16 cos square theta plus sin square theta and 25 cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta. This is plus, this is square. So this is 1, this is 1. So 16 and 25, 41. That means x square plus y square is equal to 41. This you have to eliminate. So you can write cosec theta is equal to x minus y divided by 6. And cot theta is equal to y minus 3 divided by 8. So I square it and I minus it. So x minus 5 by 6 the whole square minus y minus 3 by 8 the whole square is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is equal to 1. Now here also you do the same thing, sec square theta minus 1, use that. So here 2x minus 3 minus 4 is equal to tan theta, and 3 by minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to sec theta. Then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 3 minus 2x by 4 the whole square. 3y minus 5 by 3 the whole square minus 3 minus 2x. Just reverse it because negative will get here. So minus 2x divided by 4 the whole square. So elimination is complete. Now come to the question number 5th. Question number 5th says just you have to solve it like algebraic equation. So you take sin theta common. Sin theta common, that means 2 sin theta plus 3 is equal to 0. So that means that implies sin theta is equal to 0 or sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this one is not possible. This one is not possible. Why not possible? Because sin theta, cos theta is always between minus 1 to 1. So this is not between minus 1 to 1. So beyond that, so this is not possible. So only answer is sin 0 is 0 or 5 or 2 5 or 3 5. So many answer will be there. Find the permissible value of, this is asking cos theta. So what is the, if sin theta is 0 is, then is a cos theta will be plus 1 and this is minus 1. It's asking cos theta. This is value of theta and this is again plus 1, this is minus 1. So cos theta will have only two values, that is plus 1 or minus 1. Now come to the question number 6. 6 says then the find the best possible value of cos theta. So just you factorize it and solve it. So 2 cos square theta is a square minus, factorize it. So minus what, 2 5 10. So minus 10 cos theta minus cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Now take common. 2 cos theta is equal to cos theta minus 5. And here you take minus 1 common. Then cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Now take cos theta minus 5 common. Then cos minus 2 cos theta minus 1. So cos theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, cos theta is equal to 5. So this is not possible, cos theta is equal to 5, not possible. Why? Same region. This is the region. So this is the only value of cos theta that is possible. Now come to the seventh question. Find the acute angle such that 2 cos square theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Then is this converted into sin theta? So 2 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Then 2 minus 2 sin square theta equal to 3 sin theta. All you take this side. So 2 is equal to 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2. So now factorize this. So from 2 sin square theta minus plus 4 sin theta minus sin theta. Why I split into 4 and this one? Because 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 and minus 2 and minus 2 multiplied and also minus 4. So you have to split the middle term in such a way that it should be the multiple of this one and this one. This one and this one multiply, then it will be should be multiplication of this one and this. So that much intelligence you have to put. So 2 sin theta common, then this will be sin theta plus 2 and here you take minus 1 common, then sin theta plus 2. Then again you take sin theta plus 2 common, then it will be 2 sin theta minus 1 will be 0. So sin theta is equal to minus 2 and sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. This is not possible. Same region. So this only possible. So what is the acute angle? That is pi by 6. Sin theta is equal to half. That means theta is equal to pi by 6. So now come to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 says, so here you convert into sec square theta. So 5 sec square theta minus 1 plus 3. You take this one is also this side minus sec theta is equal to 0. So 5 sec square theta. This is minus 9 sec theta. This is minus 5 plus 3. That means minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you multiply this minus 10 sec square theta. So you convert this into such a way that this should be minus 10. So for minus, one has to be minus, one has to be plus. So sec theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So 5 sec theta, you take common, then it will be sec theta, it will be minus 2. And here 1 take common, sec theta minus 2. So now 5 sec theta plus 1 common sec theta minus sec theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So sec theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 and sec theta is equal to 2. So this is not possible. Why? By sec theta and cosec theta is always less than minus 1 less or equal to or always greater than 1. So sec theta always greater than 1 and less than minus 1. So between 1 to minus 1 it doesn't lie. So this is minus half between this. So this is not possible. So this value is only possible. Then they are asking angle. So theta is equal to cos theta is equal to half. So angle is pi by 3. Now come to the ninth question. Here find sine theta where find sine theta where 3 cos theta minus sine plus sine 4 sine theta is equal to 0. How you are going to solve it? So 3 cos theta. 3 do one thing. Let the other side and square it. So 3 3 cos theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sine theta. So square it. 9 cos square theta. 9 cos square theta minus 4 common 1 minus sine theta square. So here 9 1 minus sine square theta equal to 4 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta. Further solve it. 9 minus 9 sine square theta plus 4 plus 4 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta. So now we further solve it. You take it this one here. So that will be 13. Here, here square, then it is also 16 now. This is also 16. So here will be 16. Here also 16. Here also you have to multiply again. So 32. 32. So now you further solve it. So further solve it, you will get how much? 16 and 9, 25 square. 25 sine square theta. Correct? Minus 32 sine theta plus how much? 16 minus 9, 7 equal to 0. So this 25 into 7, this would come. So simply split it. Minus 25 sine theta plus minus 7 sine theta plus 7 is equal to 0. Now take 25 sine theta common, then sine theta minus 1. Here you take minus 7 common, then sine theta plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So 25 sine theta minus 7 equal to sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So sine theta is equal to 1 is equal to 1, and sine theta is equal to 7 by 25. So that is the both answer is acceptable because it's a between minus 1 and 1. So both answer is acceptable. This one and this one both acceptable. Okay. Now come to the so this type of question you solve by this method because it will be very easy to solve. How you know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Now we put cosec theta plus 5. So cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by 5 because this one is 5. That is already given. So now you have got two equations, simultaneous equation, that is cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 5. And second is cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by 5. You add it, then 2 cosec theta is equal to 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 26 by 5. So cosec theta is equal to 26 by 5 multiplied by 2, that means 13 by 5. Similarly, you minus it, then 2 cot theta will be 5 minus 1 by 5. So cot theta will be 12 by 5. So sin theta is 5 by 30 and tan theta is 5 by 12. Now they are asking for sec theta. So sec theta is equal to tan theta divided by sin theta. Tan theta is 5 by 12 and sin theta is 5 by 30. So that is equal to 13 by 12. How this will be? This is sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled, cos theta is a sec theta. So this is the answer of question number sorry 10. Now come to the question number 11. Now it is given cos theta in, this is in third quadrant. Third, no, third. So cot theta is equal to 3 by 4. So tan theta will be 4 by 3. So now you have to find cosec theta. So first you find sin theta. So sin theta, what is sin theta? Sin theta is tan theta multiplied by tan, here you go. Tan theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta is equal to tan theta into cos theta or cos theta or tan theta by sec theta. Sec theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now plus minus. So sin theta is nothing but tan theta divided by plus minus root over 1 plus tan square theta. You have to select plus or minus. So sin theta is in, this is third quadrant. Third quadrant is negative. So you have to take negative. So that is equal to 4 by 3 divided by root 1 plus 4 by 3 square. So it's equal to 4 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 equal to 4 by 5. Then cosec theta is equal to 5 by 3. Now you have to find the cos theta. So cos theta is equal to, first you find sec theta, then cos theta is reciprocal of this. So you can write 1 divided by root over plus minus 1 plus tan square theta. So how you will do plus or minus? So you will take minus. Why? Because it is in third quadrant. Third quadrant only tan cot is positive. So 1 minus 1 by root over 1 divided by 4 by 3 the whole square. So that will be 3 will get 3 by 5. So now you solve it. So 4 into 5 by 4 plus 5 into 3 by 5. 5, 3, 8. This is 8. Now come to the question number 12. Polar coordinate is given. So polar coordinate means angle from the x-axis is given, that is 90 degree, and the this is r, that is L. L is given. L is given 3. So its a coordinate will be what? 0, x-axis 0 and 3, and this one is angle 180 and this one is 1. So x-axis is -1 and y-axis is 0. So this is with the Cartesian coordinate. Now come to the next question. Here Cartesian coordinate is given. So Cartesian coordinate here 5, here 5. So it will be 5 here and 5 here, 5 here. So this is 5 root 2, and we know if this is same, then this will be 45 degree. So it's a polar coordinate 5 root 2 5 by 4, not 45 degree, but 45. Right, right. 1, 3. X-axis is 1, this is 3. So this is 3 and this is 1. So 3 square plus 1 square. So 3 square plus 1 square is 9 plus 1 is root 5. So 5 is, I think this will be, it was a root 3, just missed it. So root 3 is equal to 3 plus 1, that means 2. So that is 2. So if is 2, base is 1 half, thus this angle will be 60 degree. This we have already discussed in earlier part of the trigonometrical ratio. So what is the polar coordinate? Polar coordinate will be 2 and this one is 60 degree. Now come here. 1 minus and this also minus. That means here. So this one is 1 and this one is also 1. So this will be root 2. So this will be 45 degree. Then angle this one will be 180 plus 45. So what is the coordinate? Polar coordinate root 2 and 225 degree. And now come fourth. Fourth is minus 3. Here minus 3. There, again this is root 3. So this is root 3 and by is this one 1. So coordinate is this one. This coordinate is minus root 3 1. So this length, what will be this length? This length will be 3 plus 1, that is 2. And this angle will be, if 2 and this one is 1. So this angle is how much? 30 degree. Because if base angle is 30 degree, then perpendicular is half of hypotenuse. That we have already discussed. So this is 30, then from x-axis angle is 150 degree. So coordinate will be, polar coordinate will be 2 of 150 degree. Now comes the, I think this is the last part. So sine 19 pi plus 3. So this you can write it like this, sine 18 pi by 3 plus 5 by 3. Why I have taken 18? Because 18 is divisible by 3. That's why we have split in such a way. So this is 6 pi by 5 plus 3. And now here we are taking angle. Here 2 pi. So 4 pi. This again 6 pi. So pi by 3, 6 pi. This one 90 pi by 3 lying here. That is pi by. So that is equal to sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now come cos 140 degree. Cos 1140 degree. So what you do, you just put it, this is 360, this is 720, this is 1080, 1080 degree. So 1080 degree plus 60 degree. So we can write here 1080 degree plus 60. That is equal to cos 60 degree. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now here cot 25 pi by 3. So which we can write cot 8 pi plus pi by 3. So that we can write cot pi by 3. Cot pi by 3 is 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Thank you. Now we'll discuss the next part of the exercise in next video. Thank you.